Hello traders. Today I'll show you how to set up Captain Optimus Strong V2 with ThunderZilla. This combination helps improve your trading workflow and offers some powerful features that are worth exploring. Stay with me until the end of the video to see how to configure the setup and how these two tools work together. Previously, when using ThunderZilla, you could easily enter sell trades during a downtrend or buy trades during an uptrend, as shown on the screen. However, there was one major limitation. What if you wanted the system to automatically enter a sell trade and exit only when a secondary signal indicates that the downtrend is losing strength? Or automatically enter a buy trade and exit when a secondary signal shows that the uptrend is weakening? That is exactly the feature we'll introduce in this video. Next, I'll show you how to configure auto entry and auto exit correctly. First, make sure that Captain Optimus Strong V2 has been added to your chart. In this version, we've also introduced a new auto stop entry mechanism. This feature is designed to automatically detect a losing streak based on the threshold you define. Once the condition is met, the system will stop opening new trades, helping you keep losses within your predefined risk limits and avoid trading during unfavorable market conditions. Next, choose the ThunderZilla settings that best fit your trading style. Once the setup is complete, go back to the Captain Optimus Strong V2 options panel, add ThunderZilla to the system, and select Signal Trade based on the pullback signal. At the bottom of the table, you will see the Auto Exit function. This is a valuable upgrade for automated trading. Here, select ThunderZilla under Auto Exit, then choose the system's secondary signal as the exit condition. After completing the setup, we'll test how the system features work on a real chart. In this section, you will see how Captain Optimus Strong V2 receives signals from ThunderZilla, automatically enters trades based on the selected conditions, and exits when the secondary signal is triggered. When ThunderZilla generates a sell signal, Captain Optimus Strong V2 automatically executes the trade based on your settings. At the same time, the system continuously monitors the market and automatically exits the position when the predefined exit signal is triggered. As you can see, after the system executes the entry, Captain Optimus Strong V2 continues to monitor ThunderZilla for signals indicating that momentum is weakening. When these signals appear, the system automatically closes the position to protect existing profits. This removes the need for manual monitoring and discretionary exits, which can often lead to inconsistent execution. Right after the exit, the market reversed upward. As a result, you were able to secure the profit without giving too much back to the market. After a buy entry is executed, Captain Optimus Strong V2 monitors ThunderZilla for weakening momentum signals. When detected, the system automatically closes the position to secure profits according to the predefined trading setup. Finally, let's look at the auto stop on losing streak feature. This is one of the most anticipated features for many traders. It automatically stops opening new trades once the number of consecutive losing trades reaches your predefined limit. This helps prevent continued trading during unfavorable market conditions, improves risk control, and keeps losses within your acceptable limits.
Join the ninZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.